Lakshadweep is the island very close to our state Kerala. Our Kerala is in India, and this island is very close to Kerala. Okay, and people there in Lakshadweep speak a language that's very close to Malayalam, very similar to Malayalam, and
You don't know Malayalam. That's that language.
yeah, I don't know the right
Even
language.
us.
Yeah, we don't know. And Lakshadweep was a place where people lived with love and harmony. I
Where is
specifically I'm telling was. Do you know
Yeah.
why? It's not us. It was. Now there is no peace, love and harmony in Lakshadweep. What happened there? That's what I'm gonna tell you. That the problem that the Lakshadweep is facing today, that's what I'm gonna tell you. Okay? And you know, there should be some person to rule a place. Like in Kerala, it's been ruled by a chief minister, Pinarayi Vijayan. India, prime
what about
minister
the
and
full
president.
India? Full
That's the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also President. Similarly, the President of India assigns an administrator to rule Lakshadweep. So the Lakshadweep will be ruled by an administrator. There was an administrator called Dinesha Sharma who was ruling Lakshadweep, and he passed away in December 2020. He died. Okay, he passed away in the month December, the last December. How many months have been passed now?
last.
Yeah, just last
close.
5 months. Yeah, it's so close. 5 months, and that is
And
the
which
last
date
year.
do you know?
I don't remember the date. And usually these administrators would be some highly ranked police officers, and the president will assign those persons as the administrator of Lakshadweep. And what happened this time after Dinesh Sharma passed away? A person called Praful Ghoda Patel, who is a very high
Greedy?
person, not greedy. I don't know we should say greedy or not. He's not as good as Dinesha Sharma, and he got charged as the new administrator. Do you know what happened when the new administrator came?
No. No.
Okay, I'll tell you. Beforehand, I told you there was no culprits in Lakshadweep. Like there was no crime happening out there. There was no murders, and it's having a record of not having any murder cases for a long time. There were no murder cases in Lakshadweep. And do you know what is happening in Lakshadweep now? What all happened? What all changes have happened in these
All because
5
of the
months?
chief.
Yeah, all because of this administrator, new administrator. Now, new rule came that people there can't take any kind of decision about farming. Like we'll be having crops, the people there will be having farming there, right? And they can't decide we should cultivate rice this time, or we should cultivate potatoes this time, or we should cultivate tomatoes this time. It is all under the administrator. Administrator will decide. Oh, people out there, you should cultivate this thing. People out there, you should cultivate that thing. And that decision can't be made by the people, the real people of Lakshadweep. Okay? And also about the education also. They can't decide what kind of education they should take, like that.
Why is he doing that?
Because he's bringing new kind of things in Lakshadweep. He's saying that faking, it's not actually good for Lakshadweep. He's faking that the tourism should come, people from the rich people from other lands should buy more land from Lakshadweep for high prices. This new admin will decide everything, like what all crops should they cultivate and all. And many people who were working temporarily in many government institutions were terminated without any reason. And you know, it's an island, and one of their main income is from fishing, right? It's an island, and they will get more money from fishing, right? And they had built some small sheds in the beach, and now they are all removed by faking the name of protecting beaches. Hundreds of people who were working in tourism were also removed. Actually, before there were no crimes happening in Lakshadweep. And what will happen if there are no crimes? The police people, what will they do? They won't have any work, right? They will be sitting idle in the police station. It was like that before. before
Before they
December
did that.
2020, and now the government has brought some Gunda Act, and people are
Danger.
people are in danger now. The officials under the administrator is telling that nobody should hold any kind of domestic animals. Whatever they are having, they will have to sell it before May 31st. Like the people in Lakshadweep would be having many kind of domestic animals, right? Like
What's a
domestic animals like goat, cow, and all are and hens
Pets, like pets.
and domestic, and they will give us milk
Or those.
and meat also, right? And the government has issued an
Cow,
order,
for
not government, the administrator has issued an order that no people should hold any kind of domestic animals in Lakshadweep. And what will they do? They will have to sell it before May 31st. They are importing these dairies like cheese, yogurt, ghee, and all from other places. They are opening liquor shops which were before prohibited on the island. Liquor, no? You know, liquor, that's a bad drink. And
That.
yeah, bad drink. This administrator is taking all the peace and happiness away from the Lakshadweep. The happy land has become a sad land now. It is heart-wrenching situation right now in Lakshadweep. Each and every one of us, each and every one of you should know about this and should stay with the people of Lakshadweep. Let's pray for them and help them to bring back their happiness and peace
How are we going to do that?
by creating awareness.